Hi everyone, I'm DK from GoodGang Labs, a co-founder and CEO. So today I'm gonna talk about how we built an offline AI stack using open source AI. So before we jump into the topic, let me introduce myself and our company. So the 3 years ago, I came back from Silicon Valley to Korea to start GoodGang Labs. So I worked at Meta and Line as a product and partnership manager and helping create the popular products such as Instagram stories or foodie or like the so many camera apps. So I had some vision like to connect like human and AI through avatars because AI is really getting popular and then now AI is someone or something we talk to, but still like people are chatting with AI in a chatbot through the text format. But just imagine that the conversation between human and human, it's mostly being about like through the voice and like face expression, body gesture, like nonverbal languages. So we want to visualize the AI. So that's our like first journey. So now like we are building AI avatar voice agent, and then luckily we got supported from the many top tech companies such as like in Korea Naver and Kakao, and then in globally like Nvidia or like a Google or MS as well. So now let me talk about what problems we want to solve. So, probably like the some international guests, you guys probably noticed that there are all around kiosks. So the last year, the adoption rate of kiosk in restaurant industry is about 7 to 8%. It's a huge. So, but it's not easy for everyone to use kiosk. So let me show a quick video how difficult to use kiosk.
Technology gets more advanced. One of the chronic problems our society is facing these days is the growing digital divide between tech-savvy people and marginalized groups. Well, Seoul City is working to breach this gap, and our Song Yujin has the details.
These days, you can easily buy food, drinks, and movie tickets without having to speak to another person. This is all thanks to unmanned kiosks. But for some groups, such as seniors and the disabled, these kiosks can be more of a burden. The small letters on the screen are hard to read, and a wrong touch could mean starting all over again. This can be stressful, especially if other people are waiting. And it can even make them feel more socially isolated.
It takes a lot of time for you to place an order if you're not.
Yeah. So this is why we built an AI step. So help people to talk with a machine without the tech savvy skills. So many people also, so many people like ask us why the voices, but I want to ask them before the kiosk, how you can place order, how can you place with a person to place order? Everybody like a talk, and for elders, it's hard to learn the new skills. So that's why like we build our solution AI step, so people can talk with AI using their voices without learning like a new digital savvy skills. And also many people ask us why you guys are using cartoony style avatar instead of the real person look alike. Our simple answer is people love characters. Just imagine how people love the characters like from Disney, Sanrio, or Pokemon. So people naturally like open their mind to those like lovely characters. So at GoodGang Labs, we introduce many characters such as like Nalani or Beer Gang or KKs and etc. So our character makes people happy and fun and comfortable. This is why we choose cartoon style avatar rather than the real human alike. Also avoid uncanny valley. And let me show the quick demo of our solution.
Welcome! We're glad to have you at GGLS. What do you need?
Can I get a tumbler?
Tumblers are perfect for staying hydrated. We have them in white and silver. Which color would you like?
Can I get the silver one?
Oh, you've got great taste. The silver tumbler is a classic choice. Need anything else?
Can I also get a message card?
Oh, you're adding a heartfelt touch with the message card. Perfect for spreading some love. Need anything else?
Can I get a card holder too?
Oh, you're going for the card holder. Perfect for keeping all your essentials neat and tidy. Do you need anything else?
No, I'm all set.
Got it. No shopping bag needed today? Just let me know if you change your mind.
Can I get a small shopping bag?
A small shopping bag. Perfect for those little errands. Need anything else?
No, I would like to pay.
The total is 46,000 won. You've got an eye for quality. Please proceed with payment on the screen to the right.
So as you just saw, chatting with our AI staff looks really fun and engaging and comfortable. But tech behind the scene is not that easy. There are pretty advanced technology used to make it happen. So for AI avatar, it should listen well and understand and also act correctly and speak well and also express well. So, and also we do proceed this task within 1.5 seconds, like in real time. So it's very challenging, and people are wondering how a small startup like us handling all of those things make it happen. Also, there are choice to select the commercial like a technology, but sometimes it's often pricey, and then it's hard to customize what we needed. So we chose the open source like AI. So let me explain how we applied like each area of the AI avatar got applied. For listen, we are using the like a whisper for speech to text STT, and then for understand and act, we are using the SLM such as like Mistral, and for speak we use the Mellow TTS. So you can just go back to our like a video demo video. Actually, we trained one of our coworkers' voice, and then like apply to the TTS. And finally, it should do the natural body gesture and facial expression, including lip sync. And we built our own model. And on the top of that, like we fine-tuned our model using the PyTorch. So using the open source AI is the essential, and so we believe we should grow this ecosystem, and also we do the pay forward. So also at GoodGang Labs, we are preparing to open our model like in the near future to contribute to this community as well. So we want to be bold. Like AI avatar is a pretty new concept. So like we decided like last year, let's build offline store where real AI staff is working and they're serving the customer. So only this year, like we opened GGLS AI store at Gangnam, and then we actually host the customer like a buy product by interacting with our AI staff using their voices. Let's show the like a quick demo. like about the like pop-up, we partnering with the Mommy Zone, which is an iconic like a pink rubber glove brand in Korea, and the result is amazing. So let me show the video first. So luckily we sold out. Luckily, like we sold out the like all rubber gloves prepared. It's about 1.k in 10 hours. So that's the really beyond our expectation. The previously, we also did like a Web3 project. So one of our NFT collection called GoodGang is the one of the most popular NFT project in Korea, and we also did sold out, but we never imagined that we sold out the rubber gloves. Nowadays, we are selling the shoes at the GGL AI store. So if you're curious, please come and visit. So, so far, like we talk about how we built like offline AI stuff using the open source AI. And without open source tool, it would super difficult to make like all things need for our AI staff. So we really appreciate like the community effort to grow the open source AI and also pay for to this community. Thank you for listening our story. And then please understand, I'm trying to be more casual. So there is a lot of video content. It's not about my English. Thank you. Is there any questions?
Questions? 질문 혹시 있으시면. Yeah.
Thank you. I think one of the problems with AI is that it's very difficult to like comprehend the machines or the models. They are very difficult to like comprehend like dialects or like murmuring, for example. And when I saw the video, it seems like all the audiences that are like a little bit younger generations, I think. And what you were trying to solve was, you know, those people who are disabled or elderly, right? And a lot of people have like dialects, and you know they often like murmur a lot. And I just wanted to know, understand like what's like your success like rates, like to understand like what they say.
That's a great question. So actually, our target is for everyone. So like the problem we want to solve. Also, we want to help like the old folks, like our parents and old parents, because they don't have enough skills to use the touch-based kiosk. But but our like a core mission is like a people like they should like talk with in AI in a very natural way. Just think about before the like a smartphone, like we all talk with a person and using our voices with the something we can visualize. But right now, like everything is uncontacted and people are losing the humanity. So we want to give the power like to people, regardless of their how they are tech savvy, they can talk and they can use the technology with their natural language. So from this puzzle, what we learned, like there are like many like different generation from like small kids to like elders because they really love the pink rubber glove and then we sold it at discount point. And our solution is not perfect, but we saw the like a big opportunity. Like people love to talk with AI using their voices rather than like touching. So just to summarize, like we want to give the option to people what they are get used to before.
오케이. Other questions? 혹시 질문 또 있으시면. 오케이. 여기.
Thank you for the speech, and I think I'm also curious, and I think the question was about what's the KPI for understanding if you solved the problem or like if you're going other way. So can you answer for that too?
Yeah, our first KPI is like make people feel comfortable to talk with AI using their voices, because so many people like compared our solution with the touch-based like kiosk, and they always like ask us, using the touch-based kiosk is okay. We don't need to talk with AI. But like now, like we are proving, like talking with AI using your voices is also like comfortable. So we don't have that kind of the exact like the number data, but like we are like collecting feedback using our testbed at the GGLS AI store.
Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you everyone. 감사합니다.